Tired of CapCut limitations? Let's unlock the Pro version, completely free, right now. First, open CapCut and tap on the CapCut Pro button. You'll see the subscription options, but don't worry, we aren't paying for anything. Next, head over to the Google Play Store, search for a VPN app, like VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. I'm using this one, but others work too. Go ahead and install it. It's totally free and safe, so you have nothing to worry about. Now, open the VPN and connect to a server in Germany. The location is very important, so make sure you are connecting to German server. Great, now, go back to CapCut, and again tap on CapCut Pro. You should now see a 3-day free trial option. Select it. You might need to create a new account or use a different email if you've used the trial before. Boom, you've unlocked CapCut Pro for free. Enjoy all the premium features. Remember, this trick might not last forever, so take full advantage of it while you can.